Welcome to Telegram Tutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to activate your YouTube channel so that you can add thumbnails, live stream, and upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes. So the first thing you can do is when you go to YouTube, make sure you're signed in under your account you're wishing to activate. Then click on your icon. Then go down to Settings. Click on Channel Status and Features. And then down here where it says Features that require phone verification, you're going to click on the drop down arrow and click on Verify with phone number. And then it'll give you the prompt. Choose which one you want. I'm going to do text me with the verification code. And then you're going to type in your phone number and click Get Code. You can click on Get Code. Then it'll say if you don't get the text message, try going back to selecting the call menu option instead. So it sent me a code. I just have to verify it with the code that it sent me. Then click Submit. It'll say your phone number is now verified. Now you should be able to add thumbnails and upload longer videos. Now if we just go back to YouTube, go to our icon, click on Settings, Channel Status and Features, and then down here you'll see it's all been enabled now. So now you got the standard and all the advanced as well. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.